with Tiger, and today we're going to learn 1 to 10 in Estonian. And click here to subscribe. Today we're joining in Woody, Jessie, Buzz, Bo Peep. So first we start with 1 and another one, and in Estonia this is ooks. Repeat after me, ooks. This is number 2, and this we're joining in Gabby Gabby, Duke, and we're joining Forky and Buzz Lightyear. So this is number 2 and another 2, and in Estonian it is gucks. Repeat after me, gucks. And we're finding Giggles, Giggles, and Slinky, and Rex, and Jessie. Okay, and this is number 3, and this is another 3, and in Estonia it's Golem. Repeat after me, Golem. And we're joining Duck and Buddy and Bo Peep, and Woody and Ham. So this is number 4 and number 4. And in Estonia, it is Nelly. Repeat after me, Nelly. And the next one, 5, we're joining 40, Bullseye, Hugo and Ruff, we're joining, and Benson and Alien. 5 and another 5, and in Estonian is V. Repeat after me, V. Candy Cat, Peppa Pig, Danny Dog, and Rebecca Rabbit. This is 6 and a 6 and ghouls. Repeat after me, ghouls. And there is 7 and 6. Repeat after me, 6. And we're joining in George, Emily, and Pirate George, and Daddy Dog. 8 and number 8 and Gatissa. After me, Gatissa. And next we're doing 9. So first it is a 9 and another 9 and Uexa. And repeat after me, Uexa. And we're doing 10 and Gumme. Repeat after me, Gumme. Now I'm going to show you all my counting toys. So, ooks, gucks, glom, Nelly,